Everyone more or less experiences having a drip put up on them at some stage during their life, and the purpose of the drip is to deliver fluids, drugs, medicines, blood into your veins. Air causes problems by entering the bloodstream, or it disrupts other infusions that are critical for patient care. Having a device that prevents air getting into the system and into the patient is the best long-term solution.
Gasgon Medical is a startup company based in Cork in Ireland, and we're making new technologies that make IVs safer, cheaper and more accurate for patients. IV infusion is the most common invasive therapy in healthcare today. It touches every area of healthcare. Every time you have an infusion going into a patient, there's a risk of a bubble entering with that infusion. Every one of them presents an opportunity to cause harm. Here at Gasgon Medical, we've developed a new type of IV vent in response to an unmet clinical need. Our IV vent automatically captures gas from the IV line. It's ideally positioned to reduce the burden of care at the bedside. From a technology perspective, we use natural fluid dynamic principles to isolate the bubble from the fluids, and this then ensures that the patient gets the intended dose and the risk of the bubble is removed. As there's an increase in lifestyle diseases such as cancer and obesity, we're seeing an increase in IV use cases. By removing the bubble hazard using a Gasgon venting device, it will ensure that there's a better standard of care. One of the things that's amazed me on this journey so far is meeting doctors and nurses and realizing that they have this problem every day in the hospitals, having to take bubbles out manually. So to have something like Gasgon that can impact healthcare in such a meaningful way, improving the lives of clinicians and improving the lives of patients, I'm really excited about what we can do with this technology and where it can take us.
At the moment, there's no device that's available. We have to disconnect infusion sets, which is a real nuisance. It can be dangerous to the patient as well. So a device like Gasgon, which will do it automatically for us, is a huge benefit to patients. It's a huge benefit to staff as well. And it just seems like the perfect solution, really.